The VEVOR Electric Pressure Washer stands out with its powerful motor capable of delivering up to 3.2 gallons per minute, making it an efficient choice for both indoor and outdoor cleaning tasks. A notable feature is the adjustable pressure mode, allowing users to tailor the water pressure to match the type of stain they are tackling, enhancing the washer's versatility and effectiveness. Equipped with a 26-foot hose and a 35-foot power cord, this washer offers an impressive reach, ensuring comprehensive cleaning coverage without frequent repositioning. The inclusion of 4 quick connect nozzles and a foam cannon allows for diverse cleaning applications, from gentle rinses to intense scrubbing, tailored to the task at hand. Constructed with a sturdy, wear-resistant PVC hose and a pure copper spray gun connector, this pressure washer is designed to withstand demanding tasks without leakage concerns. Its compact and portable design, complete with swivel wheels and an ergonomic handle, ensures that moving and storing the washer is hassle-free, with built-in holders keeping accessories neatly organized.